All right, guys. So we just launched the jet skis here. Took us a minute because I had to help this couple. But that's done. So we're good to go. All right, listos. Pues vámonos. Ready, mommy? Yeah. All right. So finally, we're heading out. You see Basha the Blonde right there. Duckies. So we are, guys, in the Miami area. Look at this guy. Look at how nice it is out here. Look at that sky view, skyline. And then you have these nice houses here. Even though they're not too big, they're $1 million houses. Oh, boats. This is supposed to be it's a no-wake zone, you know, so 5 miles per hour. Look at that, guys. Look how nice it is out here. You know, I wouldn't live in Miami, but coming to visit is nice. Coming to visit and spend the night. You see, he's not doing 5 miles per hour. Let's go. So I think here is 30 miles per hour in channel. There's Basha, the blonde. Look at that little island, we can stop there. I love that about boating and jet skiing, that you can stop in any island you see, chill, have a picnic, spend the night. It's fun, it's fun. That's Basha the Blonde. Alright guys, see you in a minute. Look at that skyline. It doesn't matter how many times you've seen it, but from the water, it's something else. Something else. You got a bunch of jet skis over there playing, going super hard. And then you have the big cruise ship on that side there. You can see, look. They're fucking the size of a building. Look at that one, Jesus Christ. Hell yeah, guys. This is awesome. So for those of you that don't know, that's Miami right there. That's Miami. Welcome to Miami. Bienvenidos a Miami. Alright guys, so that right there, that's Picnic Island. That's where we're going. We're gonna have a little picnic, chill for a minute. We brought a charcuterie board. So you see that guy? He's gonna make the wake. Be careful, baby. The wake. So it's like a turbulence, you know, like on a plane. You just have to pay attention, pretty much. So yeah, we're ready for our picnic. See you in a bit, guys. Look at that, look at that. Another view, look. Wow. So I wonder if any of the people that live there, you know, any of the thousands of people that live there will watch this video. If you do, write in the comment, I live there. Welcome to Miami. Picnic Island. Us Hispanic, we call it La Islita. The little island. La Islita. So, let's find us a good spot where we can land. That's too shallow there. You see the color? You see this is like 3 feet here. Alright guys, so I guess there you go, aqua party boat. Any space that you can come in, baby, is good. Look on this side here. Look right there, after the blue one. After the 2 blue ones. All right. There you go. They got Tego going. El Abayalde. When you're close, yes. When it gets deep, I mean shallow. That's good. You pull up hell yeah, guys. We're here. We're here. Okay, don't be hitting nobody else's.
Okay.
Okay? Can you step out?
Yeah.
Is it recording? You see the red light?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Let's party.
bienvenido a la islita. She said let's party. Alright, here we are, guys. Look at this shit. Look how nice it is. People come, chill, party, aqua party boat, have fun, swim. This is just perfect. Walk the whole island. So,
Salud.
salud. Alright guys, see you in a minute. I'm gonna... Let's see what's up. Get wet. chill for a minute, eat something. All right.